I'm going to give you a real quick tour of how to use flashcards and how to use a couple of different apps that are available for learning how to read music better. So first we're going to look at our flashcards that you've been given in class. You can also download them on my website. They look similar to this. Make sure that once you have these printed out on paper, preferably a heavy paper like cardstock, you're going to cut them apart into 8 separate cards. And we're going to play several different games with these. So I'm going to show you a couple of those different games now. And instead I'm going to use the electronic versions of the flashcards. So let's flip over to those real quick. And this app that I'm using is called Violin Flashcards. I can click on there, and what I can do is I can set up a couple different flashcards possibilities here. I can pick the notes that I want to pick right here. Notice I'm picking F instead of F sharp because I want to work on recognizing the note for where the note is rather than seeing a sharp there and saying, oh, that's right, it's an F sharp. I want to be able to look at that note and just say it's F sharp. So if I do that and I hit submit down in the lower corner, my cards come up. First game you want to play is you just want to go through and flip through the cards, and this is a game that you can play by yourself with your actual flashcards, or of course any of these can be done by yourself using the app. So I go through this and say, all right, this is an E, this next note is a G, next note is an F sharp, next note is a D. If I ever don't know what it is on the paper cards or on this one I just hit flip, and I flip the card over, and it will show me what the letter name is, and it can show me how to play those. The second game you want to play with your flashcards is actually, and this is more important, is actually playing the notes. It's not just good enough to be able to say, that's a D. You also have to make sure that you're able to play that note quickly on the instrument so that you're successful. So at home, you need a helper to flip through the cards for you, a parent or a sibling or a friend. On the app, you can just hit the autoplay button here, and what it will do, it will give you about 2 seconds to figure out what the note is and play the note before it flips over and tells you the answer. So I'm going to do a couple of these. So as soon as I can play that note, I'm going to play that note. Really try hard to play these without looking at your instrument. Have the fingers hovering so that they're in the right spots, ready to go. So that game is probably the most important game using our flashcards here. Okay? Another game that you can play, and this one is completely optional, and this one you unfortunately have to have either an iOS device or you can use a computer to do this. This is called Staff Wars Live. Before we go to the actual app, I'm going to flip over here to the website. The website is called musicinteractive.com, and you can go here, you can click on here to go to the App Store and download it to your iOS device. Or on the computer, we go here to Classroom Apps, click there, and you see Staff Wars down here. Click there, go over here to where it says Staff Wars Live, and you can download it either for your Mac or for your PC. The reason why the live version is important is the live version actually listens to you playing your instrument to see if you're playing the correct note and the fingers are in the right spots. Staff Wars is available on other devices, but this one is only doing the naming of the things, and you've got to type in the letter name onto your computer or onto your device. It's a lot better for us to be able to actually play the notes. So we're going to flip back here to the app and see how this works. To play the app, what I'm going to do is I need to go to settings down here in the corner, and I pick the instrument that I'm going to play. I'm going to play viola. Right now you're going to play in D major. You take the sliders to adjust what notes you want to be able to play. So for viola, I'm going to play D through G today. Then I go up here to the top corner, I click Save, and then I pick the clef that I'm going to be using. So since I'm playing viola, I'm going to go here to the center, pick the alto clef, And now it brings up this. And what I need to do is I need to defend my clef against the evil notes of the empire. So as the notes come across the screen, I look at the note, I quickly play the note, and I zap the note right out of the air. Now notice that one I played the right note, but my finger wasn't in the right spot, so it didn't give me credit for it. I have to make sure my finger's in the right spot to knock that note out of the air. As we play this, the notes will continue to go faster across the screen. And your goal is you want to try and be able to play these notes as quickly as possible as they come across the screen, which again means you've got to do this without looking at your fingers. Trust those fingers to be in the right spot. If they're not quite in the right spot, adjust the finger just slightly to be able to play it. So there are our two apps that are available on your tablet devices to be able to learn how to play notes quicker and faster using your instrument. Remember, if you use the Staff Wars Live app is an optional thing since it's only available for iOS, but it's a really fun tool to be able to play with. You can use it on iOS or you can use it on your computer. Thanks, and have fun playing these notes.